Hello guys, if you are an online entrepreneur or online marketer, then you must have thought about so many tools that you're going to use in your business. Now here's a software that has built-in functions of doing different tasks in all-in-one platform. And you can get all these tools for free. Now this platform is free of cost and it's very user friendly for beginners, and it is definitely for those who want to avoid working on multiple platforms, and you can always use this software to start your online business. Now the software I'm talking about is called system.io. So if you're an online marketer or an online entrepreneur, then definitely what are the tools that you're going to require to build your business? So let's see that. So the tools for online business. Now definitely you need a funnel builder. And this platform, system.io, has inbuilt funnel builder and email autoresponder, which is another important tool for your business. And the third one is online course creation platform. Now, if you're selling your own courses, then you definitely need a platform to build your online course. And then you have the website builder. Now, if you want your website, a standard website, then you can use this platform to build your website. And next, if you are a blogger and if you want to do affiliate marketing using blogging, then this software definitely does the game for you. And then if you want to run your affiliate program, and since you have your own online course and you want to run your affiliate program, then system.io is helping you in this case also. And next is webinars. Now, if you want to run evergreen webinars, then you can also do with this software. Next, if you're going to sell products like drop shipping and those stuff, then system.io will definitely help you. And last but not least is business automation. System.io helps in automation of all these processes. Now you can always get system.io for free. You can check the link in the description box below, which is my affiliate link. Now, when you go and click on the pricing options of system.io, there are 4 different plans, which is the free plan, startup plan, webinar plan, and unlimited plan. Now, under this free plan, this is not something like which is free for 14 days or 30-day free trial, but this $0 per month free perpetually. Now, what is the difference between this free startup, webinar, and unlimited funnel? Now, when you scroll down, you can see the difference mainly in the contacts. You can see the difference in the contacts, and you can see the sales funnels, and you can also see the sales funnel steps that can be done in the different plans, and also blogs. So if you're doing blogging, then you can also see how many blogs you can create with the different plans. And when you scroll down, you can see the courses that can be created. So under the free plan, you can still create one course, and communities, which is very much essential for you if you want to build a strong community of your customers. And next, you have the automation rules for your business and workflows. And when you scroll down, you can still see the tags that can be created. So tags is nothing but the list and email campaigns that can be done. So there's difference in the free and the paid plans. And also you can see the one-click upsells, order bumps, A bar B tested, coupon codes. And when you scroll on further, you can see there are no evergreen webinars. So this will be available only under the webinar and unlimited funnel. And if you are in the unlimited funnel, so you get a one-on-one kickstart coaching session, and at the same time a free migration. Suppose you are on another platform and you want to migrate entirely onto system.io, then they provide you with a free migration assistance. So for a beginner, I always recommend you to go for the free plan until you exhaust any one of these contacts or sales funnels or courses. So if you're someone who wants to create an online course, then there is an option under the free plan where you can create one course, and you also have 15 steps under the sales funnels, and also you have the coupon codes. Now, if you want to use this platform for email autoresponder, then the most important part arrives here, which I will discuss later in this tutorial series. So this is the dashboard of system.io, and over here you can see if you are on the free plan, then you can upgrade to the next plan. And if you go to the next one, which is dashboard, you can see the main dashboard, the affiliate dashboard. If you have earned some affiliate commissions, you can always check over this affiliate dashboard. And student dashboard, if you are a course creator and you want to interact with your students, you can see the student dashboards. And marketplace, if you want to sell your courses, you can always do over here on the marketplace. And under CRM, you have the contacts, the tags, which is nothing but the list, pipelines, calendar, and under the websites, you have the blogs, sales funnels, and digital stores. Next is the emails, and under emails, you can go and create your newsletters, campaigns, and you can watch your statistics over here. So under automations, you have rules and workflows. You can always create rules and workflows based on your business requirement. And next is assets, and here you can see the physical products, orders, coupons, courses, communities. So everything is over here, which is classified as assets. And next is sales. Under sales, you can see the transactions, your subscriptions, and affiliate invoices. So if you're paying your affiliates, then you can always check your invoices over here, and your affiliate program. So you can always build your affiliate program over here. And last but not least, which is the help. So any software or any tool that you need online should always have the help option. So if you're going to click on the help button over here, you can see here are 3 ways to get help. So help pages. So here you can go and directly search for your need and you can get your answers. Or if you want some kind of video tutorials, then you can always click over here and watch the video tutorials. And here you have your customer support. So if you want, you can get directly in touch with the customer support. So when you click on the customer support, you will reach this page, contact us. So you just scroll down over here, and over here you need to enter your name, email, subject, and any body content. And if you have any errors or something like that, you can always attach the screenshots, and then you can click on I'm not robot and submit. So going back to the dashboard, over here you can see the settings, the security, and if you want to log out, you can log out over here. And this is basically the language. You can select the language you want. And generally the support regarding the customer support, normally system.io replies within less than 24 hours. So this video basically explains you about the dashboard of system.io and the pricing plans. So you can always check out the most optimal one, which I would suggest you to go for the free plan. So in the next upcoming videos, I'm going to dwell into the individual features of this system.io and also how to build your landing page, how to do your email automations and all those stuff. So please stay tuned, and request you to hit the subscribe button so that you get the notifications at the very moment I upload my videos. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.